I'm going to talk today about an issue that's of particular importance to Persian people. We're going to explore how membership in certain military divisions in Iran can impact or limit your immigration options. If you don't know me, my name is Josh Goldstein and I'm an immigration lawyer. I've been doing this for more than 20 years and I founded Immigration Station. It's a channel just for you. I share all the knowledge and insights and unbridled opinions that I may have. And today's topic will be especially important for the Persian community. Today I'm talking about military service and how that could limit or impact your immigration options. One of the questions I get all the time is from people asking what you can do if you've served in SEPA or IRGC, otherwise known as the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps. The United States government has designated SEPA or IRGC as a terrorist organization. And what that means is that if you've served in SEPA or the IRGC, then you will be ineligible for a visa. Now, what people say is that I served in SEPA, but I worked at the hospital, and it was 17 years ago. And I only worked for 1 week. Then I was moved on to something else and I didn't do anything else. So it was 1 week and it was 17 years ago. But yes, I was in SEPA. Can we still get the visa approved? Listen, I have full sympathy for you. I would love to help you get your visa. And I think that this rule blocking people who are in SEPA is nonsense. What it really is it's politics. The governments in Tehran and Washington, D.C. are not best friends. And so innocent people get caught up in this game. But if you've served in SEPA, you're not going to get the visa. It's not my decision about whether you'll get a visa. It's the government's decision. If it were my decision, I'd probably give you the visa, no problem. But it's not my decision. I don't have the approval stamp. I'm just a lawyer that tries to help people. SEPA or IRGC membership means no visa. And if you want to hire me to help you with your immigration case and you're Persian and you're male, I'm going to ask you if you did military service. And if you say yes, I'm going to say, did you serve in SEPA or IRGC? And if you say yes, I won't take your case. I won't take your case because I don't believe it can be successful. The second thing I want to talk about in today's video is the possibility of a waiver. In June of 2022, in the Federal Registry, they came out with a new rule that seemed to propose a possible waiver for what they call the terrorism-related inadmissibility ground, or TRIG. You can find that under 212A3B of the Immigration and Nationality Act, and they set forth a waiver. A lot of people have approached me and said, listen, I need a waiver for 212A3B. I need a waiver. I know there's a waiver. Can you help me prepare a waiver? I'm reluctant to take on such cases. It's not because I don't want to help you. It's because this waiver is, number one, really, really difficult. There are 15 discretionary factors, I believe, or 13. And some of them are really hard to prove. How are you going to prove you're not a terrorist? That's impossible to prove. It's like trying to prove you're not an elephant. You can't prove a negative. And I also think that this is a discretionary waiver that's going to be very difficult to get approved. I also think it could take a very, very, very long time to get a decision on this waiver. So it puts me in a situation of providing legal services that have an uncertain outcome, and it's going to require a lot of work. And I'm just reluctant to get involved in this until I get more information about the likelihood of success and what's really going on with these waivers. Maybe nobody will get approved under this standard. I'm skeptical, and I approach this from a professionally cautious position. It's not because I don't want to help you, it's because I don't want to charge you money for something that may not give you any possible benefit. That's what we need to know about IRGC membership. And if you have questions about how military service in general can impact your immigration case, leave them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks.